Hey, part one. Today we're going over the ending of Going Home and then just running it all from the beginning. So remember last time we learned this last page. I think it was this last page, or was it more? Oh, yes, it was here. So we have this piano introduction. Then we lead into our going home, going home. I'm just going home. It's not far, just close by, through an open door. I'm just going home. Going home. Okay, so let's work backwards. Let's do this last page. So we know this part. I'm just going home. Now we have this part that you listen for. Going home. Okay, so let's just practice you finding this going home note. You hear it 2 octaves higher. Going home. Okay, let's try that. Going home. Okay, let's back up even further. So we have measure 37. Going home, going home. I'm just going home. It's not far, just close by, through an open door. Okay, can you try those 2 lines? Going home. 1, 2, and here you go. Going home, going home. I'm just going home. It's not far, just close by, through an open door. Okay, then we have this little piano thing in between. I'm just going home. Okay, so there's that ending again. We're going to try to sing this all from the beginning and see how it goes. Remember, you get to choose either song that you would like to record for your final recording assignment. All right, here we go. Let's try it from the beginning. And this can kind of give you a good idea of where you're at and if you need to practice more on your own or if you're good to go. Part 2 starts. I'm just going home. Like some still day. I'm just It's not far, just close by, through an open door. Work all done, care laid by, going to fear no more. Mother's there expecting me, Father's waiting too. Lots of folk gathered there, all the friends I knew. shadows gone break day. Real life just begun. There's no break, there's no end, just a living on. Wide awake with a smile, going on and going home, going home. I'm just going home. It's not far, just close by, through an open door. I'm just going home. Going home. All right, there you go. So if you need more, go feel free to go ahead, rehearse any of those spots that may have been sticky for you. Otherwise, you are done for today. Thanks for singing, guys. Bye.